pyogenes, erythrogenic exotoxin A, and its superantigen effects. Question 1. A 7-year-old child presents with fever, a diffuse red rash that feels like sandpaper, and a strawberry tongue. The rash started on the trunk and spread to the extremities. Which bacterial toxin is most likely responsible for these symptoms? A. Toxic shock syndrome toxin 1, TSST1. B. Erythrogenic exotoxin A. C. Exfoliative toxin D. Lipid A endotoxin. E. Streptococcus O. Correct answer B. Erythrogenic exotoxin A. Explanation. Erythrogenic exotoxin A, a superantigen produced by Streptococcus pyogenes, cross-links the beta region of the T-cell receptor to MHC class II on APCs, causing massive cytokine release and the characteristic rash of scarlet fever along with fever and shock-like symptoms. Why not the others? A. TSST1 is from Staphylococcus aureus, causing toxic shock syndrome. C. Exfoliative toxin causes scalded skin syndrome, not scarlet fever. D. Lipid A endotoxin is from gram-negative bacteria. E. Streptococcus O causes hemolysis and is used for diagnosis, not rash. Question 2. Which of the following best describes the pathogenic mechanism of Streptococcus pyogenes erythrogenic exotoxin A? A. Protease-cleaving snare proteins, blocking neurotransmitter release. B. Cross-linking T-cell receptor and MHC class II outside the antigen binding site, leading to massive cytokine release. C. Inactivating elongation factor 2 via ADP ribosylation. D. Overactivating adenylate cyclase, increasing cAMP levels. E. Acting as a phospholipase, causing tissue necrosis. Correct answer. B. Cross-linking T-cell receptor and MHC class II outside the antigen binding site, leading to massive cytokine release. Explanation. Erythrogenic exotoxin A is a superantigen that nonspecifically activates large numbers of T cells by bridging the TCR and MHC2 molecules, causing a cytokine storm responsible for fever, rash, and shock seen in scarlet fever and toxic shock-like syndrome. Why not the others? A. Botulinum and tetanus toxins cleave snare proteins. C. Diphtheria toxin inactivates EF2. D. Cholera toxin activates adenylate cyclase. E. Clostridium perfringens phospholipase causes tissue destruction. Would you like